What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Emmanuel and this is Avalon Outdoors. It's an absolutely beautiful day today. We actually started off the morning running offshore and we caught absolutely nothing. Thank God Ivan went fishing yesterday. He has a bunch of fish. We're at a beautiful little island here. We got the grill with us. We're gonna cook up some fish. I'm gonna go ahead and run in some clips of what we did catch this morning, show you guys a little bit of how our day went, and then we'll be right back here cooking up some fish. We're gonna get the drone in the air. Absolutely beautiful day. And it was just pouring rain, but we're here. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a beautiful day out. You like that little rod, huh?
Very interesting.
Tiny little rod.
On the bucktail.
On the bucktail.
He took a couple of screaming around.
Yeah, he did for sure. That's a nice fish. Or it's just a solid bonita, you know.
There it is down there.
Silver? Or Bobo?
It's a tarpon now. It looks like a Mackie. It looks like a Mackie.
Please be a nice Mac.
Just not trying to horse at this point.
Yeah.
That's a Mac, I think. Pretty sure it's a Mac.
Like a king?
Look at all the ones below him.
Or a Cuda. That's not a bonita. That is a bonita. Oh. Dude, is that a... Dude, what is that behind it? Oh my God, man. Oh, gosh. There you go, guys. Bonita. Not what we're looking for, but plenty of fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys this whole little island as much as I can. It's absolutely beautiful. So we got the ski over here, tied off to a rock. Got Ivan back here doing some work. Eat it. Fresh sashimi from a yellowjack right there.
Love yellowjack.
Did it taste?
Yeah, it tastes good.
Tastes good. You have a bunch of snappers, schoolmasters, mangrove, and take a look at this, guys. It's like a little saltwater creek. Look at this. Can't wait to get the drone up and show you guys from the air how beautiful this place is. Got the rocks on both sides. Then look at this. Literally a saltwater creek pushing out into the open water, coming from way down in the mangroves. And we may go down in the mangroves in a little bit, not just yet. We are gonna cook up first, but just take a look at how beautiful this place is. Got this little yellowjack here. Quickly knock the sides off him, run our knife right up into his head, and we're just gonna outline him. Yellowjack is one of my favorite fish. Absolutely delicious. Keep outlining all the way down. Take your knife, run it back up. Just lift up, cut over that spine right there. Just like that. Then we're gonna take our knife, hold the skin, just like that. Pop that off, feel for our pin bones. I'll actually just cut this all the way off. Get that out there. Just have a little bit of the ribs there. There we go. We are gonna get ready to make some food. Go ahead and fire this up. Let it rip. I'm gonna get some of that on there. Oh, that smells delicious. This is some olive oil. All right, guys, there we go. I'm not even sure what this is, either snapper or yellow jack. Not sure. Just took it out of some salt water, rinsed it off. I'm gonna go ahead, lay that on there. We have two very simple ingredients: garlic powder, onion powder. Absolutely cooking to perfection. Woo! That's gonna be delicious. Oh, look at that. Woo-hoo! I'm gonna go ahead and hit this side with some seasoning as well. Some onion powder, some garlic powder again. Not every day can be a banger, so days we get to hang out like this, cook up on the beach, whether we caught the fish or didn't catch the fish. I didn't catch the fish. I haven't caught the fish. Still such a treat. Fresh fish right there, look at that. Get them right over here to the side. Check that out, guys. Let's try this. I think this is yellow jack right here. There you go, guys. One of my favorite fish right here. Very underrated, overlooked fish. Yellow jack. Look at that. Incredibly white meat. Just delicious. Mm. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, that's hot. Look at that right there. Delicious. Let's get the drone in the air. I'm very excited for this. Guys, so long story short, we decided the weather got nice again. Let's try to go fishing again. We have about 2 hours before it gets dark, but we're just gonna send it either way. Just went back to the boat ramp, dropped off a couple of things. Now we're heading out. Flicking everywhere, bro. Look, 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 right there. Got him. Got him. Yep. Smoked him.
This is ridiculous. Jesus.
Woo! Look at that, guys. So we needed a couple more baits to go fish.
He just jumped in the boat.
One just jumped?
Yeah.
Look at that, guys. Oh, he jumped right out. Oh my God, dude. Look at that. Oh, dude. No way. Blackout. All right, guys. Ivan's getting rid of some of those baits. We have about 4 million left. We're gonna go run to our spot. Hopefully we catch a fish. We only have about an hour and 30 left of daylight. Insane. Look at all of them. Look at all of them.
Yeah, it's stupid. It's
ridiculous. All right, guys. So Ivan is getting a bunch of baits out there. Just getting the spot going. All right, guys. Got a nice little fish on. I think it might be a jack.
Watch the one.
Yep. Jack Crevalle, blue runner. He did? Alright guys, that fish fell back in the water as soon as I was getting ready to show it to you guys. What? We caught a fish. Today isn't that bad after all. Just gonna get another bait back down. Hopefully we can catch some more. Hi on another one, guys. Does it feel like something that you're gonna need help with?
Who knows, man? My AP yesterday didn't wake up till last second. But it doesn't feel like anything substantial.
Jack.
Horse-eye jack.
Oh wow, it's a horse eye?
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Another beautiful fish. Horse-eye jack. Spiny everywhere.
Spiny ass.
Super rough tail. I'm gonna go ahead and send them back. There we go, guys. Got our pilchard here. Gonna hook them right down by the anal fin. When you do that, it makes them swim down. That'll never go.
Whoa. Here, hold on. Don't hurt the
I'm not.
That's 50, but 50.
It's a nice fish, bro.
We have the gap, you know?
We don't have the gap.
I thought you just lost.
All right, so look, there's a solid chance I'm gonna need you
I'm getting everything in.
to drive the ski, depending on how this goes. We're getting close to the rock. Oh, big
AP!
Grab him, bro. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him. Grab him, bro. Grab him. Oh my God! No way!
Hold on.
Please don't lose him. No way! No way! No way! All right, guys. Caught this nice little AP here. I'm out of my mind right now. We're just trying to get the hook out of there. Ate it so good. Look at that fish, guys. Look at that fish. Look at the streamers on him. But guys, he has been out the water for a second here. We're gonna go ahead and get him back in the water. We do not want him to die or anything.
Is that him?
That's him.
Wow.
That's him.
So, oh, there he goes.
There he goes. Dude, how does the day turn out like that? Oh my God! Dude. Guys. Oh my gosh, bro. I cannot believe the day ended like this. That was ridiculous. We caught nothing all day. This is literally our 12th or 13th hour fishing. The sun's about to go down. Wow. Wow. Guys, I am on the absolute moon right now. If you stayed here and watched this whole video, thank you so much. The sun is just getting ready to go down. It's been an absolutely insane day. It's been a long day. We did not expect what just happened to happen. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, make sure you smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time.